Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. We have for you a total one-off and the most highly specified and enhanced transporter that we've ever done. So start with the base vehicle. This is the best you can get. A long wheelbase T32 bi-turbo 4Motion DSG transporter. So it's 204 PS. We're going to start off slightly differently on this one. On the driver's side, just going in. Now excuse the noise as we open the door here. Just to show you, this has had the digital dash upgrade, where you get the whole map view on here, along with the nav on there. We'll just turn that off. You see it's got the full digital dash there, the carbon leather steering wheel. Feels lovely as you're driving that. And it has got single piece backrest sport seats. Specially designed for this vehicle. Very, very rare sight. These not easy to do. Very expensive, but lovely and comfortable. Now this one has a huge amount of other spec on it. So it's got the heated seats, Discover Nav as we mentioned, electric sliding doors on both sides, park assist feature, reverse camera, adaptive cruise control and aircon as standard on it. But this one also has the diff lock and hill descent function, which if you ever have to be off-road or on loose terrain, is hugely useful. Even such as taking a caravan on a field, if it gets a bit wet, diff lock's certainly required to get you off there. Now that we're back outside, let me run you around the front of it. So as you can see, full LED lights front and rear. We've fitted a very stylish LVR kit to it. Larger bumpers and grills there. Beautiful lines to it and gloss black pack. Even the little details taken care of. So the 4Motion badge has been recoloured to match the colours of the vehicle. Full laser light set up in the grille there. If you know about laser lights, it's a premium product manufactured in the UK. Very expensive lights, give huge amounts of light on the road. So if you're down a dark country road, that will light it up like daylight. 20-inch VLR 07 gloss black alloy wheels with Pirelli Scorpion Zero tyres. Lowered 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs, just enough to make it look right without killing the ride on it. So many people go really low, and whilst it might look fantastic, the reality of driving it on a daily basis is not so fantastic. Privacy tints to the rear, gloss black mirror caps and surrounds. Again, little details. Transporter badge that's normally textured matte has been glossed. We've just smoked the side repeater there to go in with the black pack. I'll show you from this angle. Oh, we've left all the manufacturer wrappings on the floor, by the way. Delivery mileage vehicle, so that's exactly how they come from the manufacturer, just protecting the carpets. And just take a look at these seats. Moving into the rear, we got the 2+1 rear seat. So you can access the rear by just lifting up this handle. It's been fully carpet lined throughout, suede lined on the roof with 4 downlighters. Now we've also done full sound insulation package on this vehicle, so that's everything out. All seats, all seat bases, all the floor coverings, all the door cards were off, and we have sound deadened everywhere. This is not like driving a normal van. Far quieter, much less rattle and noise. And we've also put a 6mm thermo liner in there as well, just in case you're ever considering putting a bed in the back or a camper conversion. Perfect for that. Don't underestimate these little things. That's over £1,000 worth of work. A lot of man hours go into that, stripping the whole vehicle. So really is the best of everything, this one. MASV detailing and the modified 4Motion badge on the back of this one. It's got the rear camera, again, other little details. It's got the curved plate on the rear that just fills that section nicely, makes it stand out. Carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector, and then this beautiful LVR rear bumper with those exhaust tips there and the gloss black slatted bottom. Take a look at this from the side. As you'll know if you've been looking about for one, long wheelbase is very, very difficult to find, especially with all this kit on. Now, we do welcome part exchanges, so give us the details and we'd look at that for you. We can also offer finance facilities on this vehicle. Comes with a balance of manufacturer's warranty, so just a shade under 3 years, and same with roadside assistance. Just a beautiful, unique vehicle if you want the best that there is out there. We've got 20 plus photos and a full written description on our website, martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. And if you're interested in the vehicle, please do get in touch with us. We'd love to talk to you about it. Thanks for watching.